Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Black Ops 6 error code 0x887A0005 error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can go over to Steam, and if you are using Black Ops 6 through Steam and this will work for you, you can right click on Steam, you can go over to Run as an Administrator, and then you can open up Steam this way. That's the first method. You guys can go ahead and check to see if that does fix the issue. The second solution you guys can do is under Steam again, click on right click on Call of Duty, click on Properties, and then from here click on Installed Files, and then from here hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once this is done verifying, you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue as well. Now the third method you guys can do is simply just restart your Wi-Fi router, and right after restarting your Wi-Fi router, I recommend restarting your PC as well. And in order to restart your Wi-Fi router, all you have to do is just unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, and then and once that is done, you should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.